This 8th video in our subject, titled The Many Faces of Giftedness, will explore the 6 profiles of gifted learners. Our goal is to gain a deeper understanding of these profiles to help unlock the true potential of every gifted individual. Let's go! Giftedness is far more than what is visible. While we often recognize easy learning and high achievement, the majority of traits, struggles, and unique abilities, such as intense sensitivity and creative divergence, are hidden beneath the surface. Profile I is the successful student, the archetype we easily recognize. They learn easily, excel in exams, and are eager for approval. They possess a positive self-concept, but may be unaware of personal deficiencies. But who are the gifted learners we fail to see? Many unique minds are camouflaged, hiding their gifts to fit in, to protest a rigid system, or simply to survive. Recognizing their potential is our shared responsibility. Profile 3 is the underground student, who hides their gifts to fit into non-gifted peer groups. They experience deep internal conflict and often deny their talent to reduce social pressure. Profile 2 is the creative student, the innovator who challenges the system. They are divergently gifted and nonconforming. They may go unidentified, question authority, and are at risk of dropping out due to frustration and low self-esteem. Creatives often struggle in a linear world because the school system focuses on convergent thinking, finding the one correct answer. Their strength, divergent thinking, generating many possible answers, is often perceived as a weakness. Profile IV is the at-risk student whose needs have been ignored. Unmet giftedness can lead to defensiveness and anger, depression, withdrawal, and acting out behaviors, and developing interests outside of the regular curriculum. Profile V is the twice exceptional, 2E, student, the learner with a dual diagnosis. They possess giftedness alongside a physical or emotional challenge. This makes them easily misidentified and underserved, as one exceptionality can mask the other. These 4 profiles represent 4 veils of invisibility. The underground hides to belong. The creative is misunderstood for nonconformity. The at-risk is dismissed as behavior masks ability. The twice exceptional is misdiagnosed because one exceptionality masks the other. Our goal is to shift from surviving to thriving. We don't aim to fix these learners, but to create an environment where every gifted child can grow into a self-directed, actualized adult. Profile 6 is the autonomous learner. This student forges their own path, adapts easily, creates new opportunities, and possesses a positive self-concept. They are independent, self-directed, and receive support for their accomplishments. The path to autonomy is paved with understanding. Each profile needs specific support to move toward becoming an autonomous learner. This includes building trust, encouraging risk-taking, and celebrating divergent thinking. To look beyond labels, remember 3 key points. Giftedness is diverse. We must look beneath the surface, as vulnerable students often hide their gifts. Finally, we must nurture autonomy. The ultimate goal is fostering independent, fulfilled individuals. The real challenge is not identifying giftedness, but creating a world where giftedness does not have to hide to be accepted. Here's a quick summary of the 6 profiles of gifted and talented learners that we have covered today. Take a shot. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.